Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this tablet. Start by going into Play Store and downloading your new food app. In my case it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just download it and tap on Home button. Now access Settings. Then scroll down, tap on Apps and click on Manage Apps. Now you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser 1, click on my Opera and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!